Negotiation means reaching a deal where both sides feel comfortable. It's not arguing, not forcing. It's understanding value, timing, and people. Three basics always matter: preparation, calm communication, clear limits. Now let's understand everything using one simple example. You want to buy a laptop priced at $999. Beginner level. Before talking, decide your goal. After checking online prices and similar models, maybe your target becomes $900. Next, set your walkaway point. If price stays above $950, you leave. This prevents emotional overspending. Then do basic research: online price comparisons, warranty differences, upcoming sales. This quiet preparation gives confidence. Now, actual negotiation. Start by listening. Seller may say, "This model sells fast, limited stock, many buyers interested." Just listen. This tells you whether urgency is real or sales pressure. Next, clarify. Ask calmly, is $999 the final price? Any current promotions? What warranty is included? Accessories part of the deal? These questions often reveal flexibility. Now, make your offer. Instead of jumping directly to $900, say, "I was thinking closer to $850. Is there flexibility?" This gives space to negotiate upward if needed. Then trade, don't just ask. Example, if I buy today, could you include a laptop bag? If I pay immediately, can price improve? If accessories included, I'm ready now. Negotiation works best as exchange. When agreement forms, close clearly. So, final $920, laptop bag included, wireless mouse included, clear warranty support. Clear confirmation prevents future confusion. Now, advanced understanding. Silence works. After saying, "I can do $900, pause. Don't talk. People often adjust offers to fill silence. Control emotions. Avoid, "I really need this laptop today." Instead, "I like it, but still comparing options." Calm tone keeps your leverage strong. Focus on value, not only price. Maybe seller can't reduce much, but can add a laptop bag, a wireless mouse, software support, better warranty. Sometimes extras beat discounts. Watch patterns. Quick price drop usually means margin exists. Hesitation suggests tighter margin. End-of-month sales pressure often improves deals. These signals guide strategy. Mastery-level thinking. Experts don't negotiate just price. They build better overall deals. For the $999 laptop, they might negotiate a lower final price near $920, free bag and mouse, clear warranty service, possible future service discount. Same laptop, stronger total value. Timing also matters. Best moments, end of sales month, when new models are coming, when store traffic is slow. Worst moment, when you urgently need it immediately. Final example outcome. Laptop listed at $999. After calm, prepared negotiation, final price $920, laptop bag included, wireless mouse included, clear warranty support. Preparation creates confidence. Calm communication builds trust. Patience improves results. Negotiation improves with practice. Every purchase is training.